Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Jasmy daily update. We are going to see the best buying candles and of course what risk do you have in each level. Before we begin, I hope that you're having a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go right now and see what is Jasmy doing. So eventually, if you remember actually back here, we talked about that it is likely to have the 20-day EMA as a rejection line right here, and it is likely to correct. We went down minus 20 to 21%. Right now though, what is the line that we are holding? Can we go even higher? And if yes, what are the next price targets? We are going to answer all of these questions, so stay tuned. So right now we draw the Fibonacci retracement from the bottom to the top. Why we did that? Because we want to find some major support levels. We go on the regular scale, of course, because if you want to go to the logarithmic scale, then you have to go to the settings and you have to enable the logarithmic fib levels based on log scale. Okay, so what are we going to do next is that we are going to point out that we hold the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement line. Look at that, 0.011175 around there, and we hold it very good, but we struggle on the next Fibonacci retracement as well. So what we need to do and what are the next price targets and which risk do you hold if you buy around here? I think buying where we are right now, you hold a risk. Actually, I would say that it is more likely like a 70% to get even higher. So you hold a 30% risk of not going even higher and not achieving any profits at all. Because I'm a person that always wants to minimize risk, I will tell you the most important resistance line for now for Jasmy. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw another Fibonacci retracement, this time from the top to the bottom. So what are we going to have is we are on the 4-hour frame. That means every candlestick contains 4 hours of price action. And what we need to do is to close above this line in which we minimize the risk by 15%. So we have, if we close above this line, we have a 80% total chance to win trade. For example, if we close above, then for sure we are going even higher into the next target, which will possibly be the 0.786 and the 1.236, which is the 0.017. So this is a very nice profit target. The first one is around 6%, the second one is around 21%. But the best part is if we close above the 0.0149 to 5, then we minimize the risk by another 5%. So we have a 90% win chance to get from this target towards this one right here. So you're going to get less profit. It is going to be 14% instead of 20, but you are minimizing more the risk. You cannot have it all. So let's do a resume right there. So what we have is that we are having two important resistance levels. The 0.014 in which we minimize the risk by so much, by 15%, and the 0.0149 to 5 in which we minimize the risk by another 5%. So what I would do right here, if you want to buy right now, you have a very high risk, but at the same time, you might have a high risk, high reward situation. So if you want to buy right now, I would put just a small amount of money. Then I would put more if we close above this line and more if we close above the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement line for Jasmy against USDT. This is what I would personally be doing. Of course, none of these are financial advice. You can follow any plan that you like, but these are the targets that I have in my mind for the short term. For the next few days, Jasmy does not seem so healthy for now, at least. Okay, we do not have such a healthy movement, at least for now, to say that we are going to go all the way higher. But if we break this line, the 20-day MA, and close above, then we can go towards the 0.017 and the 50-day MA as well for the daily frame, which sits at around 0.2 cents. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. You are going to get easy profits and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.